So this is how you can hide your birthday on a Snapchat using your Android. Let's get started. So if you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So naturally, you open up the Snapchat application as usual like that, and you want to get inside of your profile, right? So you're going to click like that, then proceed to the settings where all of the things are going to be, editable. So you can basically get to your birthday, which first of all, can be edited, so if it's set incorrectly, you can change it right here. But before we do that, you also can take a look at the toggle below, which is for the birthday party, and that is something which you probably don't want to have enabled because you can uncheck it. And the little description basically means that this will add like an emoji of a cake or a celebration next to your name whenever you have like a birthday, so it will indicate other people that you have your birthday today, right? So essentially, if you don't want that to be visible, like if you want to hide that, you would just disable this birthday party, and it just makes sure that it doesn't get shared with other people automatically. So that is basically it. Of course, you can change it to something else, whatever. But yeah, that's kind of how it would work. Let me know if you managed to find it on your device. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for the upcoming tutorials and videos similar to this one, and I'll see you later.